What's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can sell Bitcoin on MoonPay. So selling Bitcoin on MoonPay and cashing out to your bank is really fast and secure. But first, you have to make sure first that you've already logged into your account and that you've already created your profile, you've already verified your account and activated your portfolio so that you will be able to actually see all of its features. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will look for the sell crypto option. And if you see that, if you do have that option, that feature, you will just have to click it and then you will select Bitcoin, and after you click Bitcoin, you will basically just have to enter the amount and add bank account for withdrawal, and of course you will have to review the fees and confirm the transaction. And by the way, you would also have to complete the verification if prompted, and then your funds will arrive in about 1 to 3 business days, but it really depends on your bank and your country as well. And selling Bitcoin is really simple, and you should always verify your bank details so that you will be able to avoid delays. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.